Welcome to our tutorial on how to switch cameras in a video call on Instagram. If you're using an Android device, follow these simple steps to seamlessly switch between your front and back cameras during a video call. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on the messenger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your direct messages. Next, open the chat with the person you want to start a video call with. Once you're in the chat, tap on the video icon at the top right corner of the screen to initiate the video call. Now that you're in a video call, you'll see the video feed from your front camera. To switch to your back camera, simply tap on the switch icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will toggle between your front and back cameras, allowing you to choose the best angle for your video call. Whether you want to show something in front of you or behind you, switching cameras in a video call on Instagram is quick and easy. Just tap on the switch icon during your call to seamlessly transition between the front and back cameras on your Android device. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to switch cameras in a video call on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and happy video calling.